I got approved for 5 European countries in 1 week. That's right, with a single Slovakia Schengen Visa, I gained access to 26 European countries. I always thought European travel was complicated and out of reach, but Polytravis changed everything. Most people don't realize that a Slovakia Schengen Visa is your gateway to all of Europe. Polytravis made the entire process fast and stress-free. Their expert team guided me through every step, from document preparation to submission. No more rejection anxiety or endless waiting. Within 24 working days, I had my approval and was planning my European adventure. Whether you're a first-time traveler or building your travel history, Polytravis handles everything with professional expertise. To get started, visit polytravis.com. Contact Polytravis on WhatsApp at +2 3 4 7 0 7 8 8 9 2 8 0 8 or Telegram at +2 3 4 7 0 7 8 8 9 2 8 0 8. Email info@polytravis.com or polytravisa@gmail.com today and turn your European travel dreams into reality. Watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to click the notification bell. Watching on TikTok, click on the plus sign below Polytravis logo to follow us, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Who knew getting to Europe could be this simple?